What's up, guys? It's Adam with the BULLETENVY channel, and this is a channel where we do prepping, gear reviews, and a little pew things, and this is going to be a mixture of the two of those. So I'm going to show you the awesome product that's in this, and maybe you can get one for yourself using my link and my super awesome 35% off discount code, which will be included in the description, and I'll let you know what it is at the end. So let's get into this video. Okay guys, so I've got everything laid out here on the table. We just unboxed it, and I wanted to get this in front of you today. This was sent to me from a company called Blacksmith. They're a very well-known company, and I have a video that I've already done on my channel where I did the 8 GUN, wall mount. But this one, they've actually upgraded and did some new colors. And I wanted to show you guys this because this is a super awesome camo. It's very sleek, it's polished, looks good. And this is, when they asked if I wanted to review one of these, this is the color I chose. But they actually have this one, they have a yellow type camo, and then they have an all black, just like before, which would basically look just like this. But this is going to come with a bunch of these pieces. This is going to be your top piece. It's going to have the little rubber pieces in there to keep it kind of secure. And then you've got your steel supports. This is an alloy steel. And this is the top piece where this would keep the projectile tool from falling out. And then the bottom is going to be this piece right here. Also has those supports right there. It's very, very tough. And this is where your tool would sit in, just like so. So I'm going to clear all this out, get it organized, and let you guys see it all at once. Okay guys, we've got it all out on the table, and while it's more organized, it still doesn't look organized just because the sheer amount of hardware and just items that you get for your money is insane. So like I said, this is a 12 tool wall mount. So you're going to get 12 of these for the bottom, 12 of these for the top, and then let's see, 1, 2, 6 of these. So they're that long. And then on top of that, hardware. And you're gonna have all sorts of different mounting options. For me, so far, I've just used regular wood screws, but they've got anchors for concrete, for drywall, everything. And then it's gonna come with your manual, but hey, most of us are men, we know how to do this. So, the sheer amount of things, check that out. I mean, just piles of them. So just that right there, for the quality of these things, that's a lot for your money. So now I'm going to show you real quick what the black one looks like, because I already had one of these. So that means I have a total of 20 now. And that's super awesome because I have big plans for these in the future. Okay, so there's the black. As the black in contrast with this, and like I said, there's also a yellow pattern. So you got 3 options to choose from. Things like this are going to be perfect for you guys that want your own boomstick room, and maybe you own a boomstick shop that you want to have all your boomsticks displayed. So there's lots of options, lots of things you can do with these. So we're going to show you a little demonstration now. Sorry, I had to come out to the shed to do this because I didn't have room in my place, and I have children, so I cannot put these in my house. They have to be locked up. But just so you guys can kind of see this, this is what it's going to look like on your wall. Now, first off, we're going to go down here, and I have it lined all the way up, and it comes to a little bit above, like a ½ an inch past 4 feet. So you're going to get 4 feet on the top, 4 feet on the bottom. Such a nice color. But I do have to mention this. It looks like each piece was painted individually, because if you're somebody that's, this would bother, if you'll look, the camo doesn't quite match up, and I've tried every different combination. So if that's something you don't like, you're going to want to stick with the black. Maybe the yellow camo is different, not sure. But each piece is painted individually, it looks like. So just be aware of that. But yeah, you're going to get 4 feet on the top, 4 feet on the bottom. This is the way it's going to look like on your wall. I didn't want to ruin my pegboard, so I just have it loosely in there, just one screw and one stud, because the pegs were, you know, the holes were different. But I've got, this is the top piece, just like this. And if you want to get your tool off, you just pull it off. And I've tried just yanking it out, and that does work as well. And then when you want to just put it in and secure it, you just pop, and you're done. This is going to be the bottom. This is where the bottom portion is going to fit. Now, I don't have it secured, but just by one screw. But I have put this in a piece of wood before, and once you put all the screws in, this thing's solid. It's not going anywhere. This has a 220-pound weight limit. So that's quite a bit. You figure each tool weighs somewhere between 5 and 10 pounds. You know, that would easily do 12. Now, I wanted to show you this also. You'll see the screw portion right here. It is recessed, so it will fit the screws. It will fit the screws they send. They're black, so it's kind of hard to see, but the screw does recess in there nicely, so you won't even notice it's there. See that nice, there you go, nice little indentation. So this is the way it's going to look on the wall. Imagine this with 2 more on each side. You're going to get 4 feet, and you could easily do an entire room for under 200 bucks with this. That would be 20 boomsticks, all lined up, looking pristine, with the nice camo on the back, or the black if you want to be a little classy. But we're from the South, so we did the camo. But just wanted to show you guys that. Here's the black again. Now, about the discount code. Blacksmith has sent this to me to get out to you to save a little bit of money and try their product out. So my discount code exclusive to this channel is going to be 35%. It's going to be in the description below. So if you click it, get 35% off, which makes this well worth it. If you wanted to start this, maybe you're starting a tool store or a man cave or something that you want to have these displayed, well, this is your time. So go ahead and click on that. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you want to check out some of my other content, click here. The world is getting crazy out there, so stay prepared, stay connected, stay loving one another. Bullet Envy.